Hello, my Doterra Wellness Advocate friends. There are new kits being released right now, and if you are anything like me, it means you might be scrambling for some of your words. And in this video, I am going to share with you how to adjust all of your words during your classes and your one-on-ones to explain the awesome new kits that Doterra has released. If you are watching this on your phone, you may need to take some notes at some point, but I have my notes here on my screen, and you can download those notes if you just want to go to emergesalstraining.com/2019 kits. We'll email the words over to you so you don't need to stress about it. But I do want you to go ahead and watch this video through to the end. It won't be very long, on how you can adjust some of the words in your one-on-ones and classes to make this flow really, really quickly. Now, before we get started, I have two really, really big things that I want you to think about. Number one, when my client brought up the new kits to me, and for those of you that I don't know, I'm Tasha Smith, by the way, and we've worked with over 7,000 Doterra Wellness Advocates on growing their business. And I was working with one of my clients today who was just getting so many texts from her team about the new kits, and I thought, well, let me just make a really quick video for you guys. And as we went over the kits together, I thought from a customer perspective, Doterra absolutely 100% nailed what came in each kit. As a Doterra customer, we at Emerge Sales Training, we believe in the customers first, their team second, our ego third. And while change is difficult for everyone, when I look at these kits from a customer perspective and the price point and the problems that I can solve and the ease with which I can use these products on a daily basis, for the most common solutions, for the tip the toe in the water person, for the person just getting started, right? For all these different types of people, they're really, really spot on. So I want you to be encouraged that as a customer, I think they're awesome. The second thing I really want to make sure you know is don't show all 5 kits at once. There is significant research on the amount of choices you can give a person for them to make a positive decision. If you give one option, the chances are very, very low. 2 options or 3 options is good. Now, when someone has 3 options, what they typically do is they look at the 3, eliminate the one right off the get-go that they do not, just no way, and then they'll actually choose between 2. Or you could just show 2 kits. That is up to you. The tips I'm going to give you are a 2-kit one-on-one model. You can just vary it based on what your preferences are. This is no way, exactly how, like a dogmatic, you have to follow this exactly word for word. But this will give you an idea how to explain the kits in a way that's really simple for customers and not overwhelming. So let me go ahead and jump in. The first thing that you want to cover in your one-on-one class is give them the agenda. The second thing is learn about their health goals. Third, talk a little about Doterra's mission and vision and why you are doing this as a business. A little bit on how essential oils work, aromatic, topical, and internal. And then you're going to go in the product section. So here are some words for you. And again, you can just download the cheat sheet and I'll get all these for you. Right now, if you're watching this video, just listen to them and receive them as if you're the customer, or if you're taking notes, that's cool too. I'm going to show you what comes in our most popular kits. I'll show you what comes in Healthy Home, which is great for everyday use for your family. Then I'll show you what comes in the Natural Solutions kit for people who really want to change their lifestyle. How does that sound? We'll show the top 10. We'll go earlier. You mentioned you had this particular health challenge. This will help with that. Or have you ever, blah, blah, blah scenario. This will help with that. The Healthy Home comes with these particular let me back up. Then do LLV, and the formula that we recommend is people turn to LLV when problems, goals, needs. What makes LLV different than what you would buy at Costco or whatever, and then put the differentiators. And this helps people to understand really, really quickly without overwhelming them. Then you can share the Healthy Home Kit comes with all of these things, including, right, blah, blah, these particular, toothpaste and such that you'll use. The lifestyle kit comes with all of that, plus these additional, I think that, mostly supplements are added to that, a few other things, which also helps with this challenge. And that way it's really, really simple. I don't think you need to do a full breakdown of every product. Usually the top 10 in LLV will do it. People know what shampoo does. They'll just know that this is high quality and they're looking for the lifestyle change. So I think you'll be okay. Once you go over the products, I still recommend that you keep this under 15 minutes. So watch your time there. Let's go over how the kits work. The Healthy Home comes with these things. I assume you'll have a graphic. Hopefully your upline or Doterra will provide that to you. And it's $350. The Natural Solution Kit comes with this stuff. It's $570. If you were considering one, which would you prefer? One to solve everyday problems or one for the lifestyle change? So I'll say everyday problems or lifestyle. I'll say lifestyle change in this example. Okay, great. Let me tell you about a first appointment special or a bonus or something. If you order that today, I'll be able to give you this thing for free. I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't ask you, do you want to order this today and get this such and such for free? Yes, I do. Okay, great. We're good to go. If they say, no, I can't afford it, think about it, whatever. All of that is normal. No worries. Here's what I recommend you say. Okay, no problem. I want to make sure you make the most informed decision. So let me show you the 2 starter kits, which are awesome. The Healthy Habits comes with blank, right? These things here, and is best for this kind of person. The Healthy Start comes with these things, and this is best for these kinds of people. Based on what we've talked about today, I think you would probably really love, and then just go ahead and make your recommendation. Which one do you think is a better fit for your family? They'll tell you, okay, great. That one is $160. Would you like to order that one today instead of whatever your first option was earlier? And then they'll say yes or no. If it's still I need to think about it, can't afford it, talk to my spouse, whatever. Okay, no problem. Then I definitely recommend the Simple Solutions. It's the best for people that want to dip their toe in the water with essential oils. It comes with these items here, so you'll be able to quickly address the most common issues of soreness, sleep, etc. It's only $105. Does that work better for you? So that's how I would do the drop down in a one-on-one scenario. It's a little bit trickier when you're doing a class or a group. But I'm sure at this point, if you're watching this video, you already know how to close at a class or a group. If you need help with that, let us know. This is just how I would explain the different kits. I just want to remind you again, these are awesome from a customer perspective. Great job. Well done, Doterra. And second, make sure you don't show all 5 kits at once and have them choose. It's way too much. It's way too many for our brain to process. So I hope that was helpful. And again, you can grab the cheat sheet. If there's anything that you need from our team, feel free to message us at our page or email us at team@emergecellustraining.com, and we're here to help. Have a great day.